Open the textbook on page 75, activity 8. Please then read the activity component and the students here check that everything is here. Student tools and material, a glass of hot tea, ice, stone, sponge and cotton. Here, Farah and Raghat have to help us now by checking the available material. A glass of hot water, cold water, ice, stone, a sponge, cotton. And also we have here cotton. Here is all the tools and material we have. What is the steps? Touch each component and write down what you feel. Before that, let's say the lesson or slogan. Student, let's learn, let's try. Teacher, again. Let's learn, let's try. Teacher, let's rain clapping, please. Let's learn, let's try. We will close Farah and Ragad eyes to see if they can recognize the hot and cold cups by touching them or not. We will exchange the cup place. Farah and Ragad, let's touch the cups. Please touch the cups. You have 5 seconds. The student counting the 5 seconds. What did you feel, Ragad? What did you feel? Hot. What about you, Ragad? Cold. Please open your eyes and check if it's on right or not. How you feel, how you know that it's cold and it's hot? By touching the cups. Teacher, who can come to touch the stone? So the second tour is a stone. Student, yalla, please come. Let's recognize the specification of the stone. Is it tough? Is it harsh? Is it soft? Is it cold? Is it hard? What? The student, it's tough and harsh. How did you know that? By touching the stone. Tough, it means that you can't break it. Now every student table have a cotton and wood piece of wood. Please work with your colleague of touching and find the material specification. Please find the specification through touching these two materials. Please work together as a pair work. Every two students have to work together. Please write down on the textbook the specification that you found it. You have only 1 minute. Please write down on your textbook. Every two students have to work together. Time over, please, Rana. Let's discuss it together. Please, Suar, cotton is soft and flaccid. Please, Yara, sponge is harsh and flaccid. Everyone agreed with this result. Let's see the wood part. Wood is soft and tough. Who have another answer? Iman said it's soft, harsh, and tough. One side is a soft and another side is a harsh. From this side it's soft and another side is a harsh. And also it's hard, tough. So which part of the body recognize these things? Students, it's a skin. So by touching the material, we can recognize its specification. So this is the reason of this is the objective of the scan. The students were drawing and a chart to describe what they are understand about the scan. The teacher asked them to draw a chart to describe what they understand about the skin, and they have to finish during the Adhan time. Adhan is almost done. What's الأذان دعاء? The students repeating the الأذان دعاء. So are you finished now and are you ready? Please open your notebook and please show me how you all draw your chart by raising your notebooks. What is a, what's the shape that you use to of drawing the chart? It's a cloud and rain. It's a scientific shape. Chart. It's a cloud and also cloud. It's okay, okay. Thank you. So where are the nerve endings located? At the dermis layer. So the dermis layer contain nerve ending and the blood vessels. The nerve ending transport the nerve signal to the sensory center in the brain. So today we know the scan. We knew the scan. Today I have to I have to, I have this shape. For what this shape? The student answered this is for the scan. So who are the little teacher who will explain this is to the students? Farah, please. The skin contains two layers, epidermis and dermis. Dermis contain nerve ending and blood vessels. Is this the blood vessels? Teacher is yes. Where is the dermis layer? Students is here. Yes. What did we learn today? What did we learn today? Anything of that you learned today, please? Please, Nermeen, please come. Please Nermeen come. Epidermis contain two layers, internal and external one, and it contains the pigment melanin. And it contains the pigment melanin. Who else can tell me anything about what did we learn today? Rahaf, please. The skin contains two layers. One is dermis, and which contain the nerve ending and the blood vessels, and the epidermis, which contain melanin pigment and hair follicle and hair. Big ingredient to all of you. Let's open your notebook. I will write any question and I will check the notebook of the first three students, first students. The question is write the right scientific terms. The first question is part of the body responsible for the sensory receptors. Two, external layer contain many layers. Three, internal layer contain the sensory receptors. Let's see the fastest three students. Please write the question and solve it. This is one of the students I finished, so please write your name on the stars board. One more. This is the second one, Basma. Please write your name on the stars board. The third one, and only one more one. Please put your hand and answer the question with me. The first question, part of the body responsible for the sensory receptors, it's a skin. Who writes skin? Please raise your hand if you write skin. Right, correct. Noor, please. External layer contain many layers. It's epidermis. Who write epidermis? That's right, great. Internal layer contain the sensory receptors. Derms. It's derms. It's great. Who answered the three of the question correct? That's great. Clap to yourselves. The God is the creator for the great creation. The skin sense very simple, but it contains a lot of things that prove that the great of creation. One of the names of the God names is creative. The God talked about the skin in the Quran. Who knew one of them? Nor read one part of the Quran that talked about the skin. What the teacher explained the meaning of this part of the Quran, and it talked about the animal also have skins. Another ayah, please. Another student read another part of the Quran. that talked about the nerve ending. So the teacher now explaining about the nerve ending. كلما نضجت جلودهم بدلناهم جلودا غيرناها. هنا علماء التشريح وعلم الأنسجة اكتشفوا يا أخي حديثا أن الجلد يحتوي تحت الجلد على. So newly the scientific discovered that we have the human have nerve ending under the skin, the external skin, and the Quran talked about this many years ago. Teachers explained and connected this with the first example that she gave in the lesson. So when one of the students hold the hot bolt, and you will feel of this pain. We feel of this pain because the nerve ending sending these signals to the brain. So in the last 10 days of the Ramadan, we are praying of protecting us from hell. So today we knew the skin. So what did you learn to your life from the lesson? You knew the skin today. How to use this information that you knew it in your life? Dehydrated the skin by drinking water. Using the natural cream on the skin. Caring about our skin. Farah, skin protect the internal parts of the body. That's right. Because of this, we are now living under the COVID crisis, so we are using alcohol gel on our hand to protect our body from the COVID. Skin is the sensory receptors. If someone gives you a flower, you can recognize if it's nature or not by what? By touching the flower. This flower to recognize if it's nature or not. How is the project, the JICA project impact? So what's your opinion? One of the students answered, not all of the things that I saw on the board, I have to rewrite it in my notebook, but I have to use my understanding to write down the things. Teachers, yeah, that's right. Also, you have to review it at home. The teacher is asking about the board. How's the board? Do you like it? The student said yes. So what do you like on the board? The student answered project goals, and it's organized. The shape of the board is organized. You are sleepy today. It might be because you are fasting, lady, or what? One of the students said that the board is nice. So why it's not? So the teacher asking who's nice.